Opening statement set to begin today in the high-profile murder trial of Lindsay Clancy, the Massachusetts mother accused of killing her 3 children. Her ex-husband, Patrick, expected to be the prosecution's first witness. Focus on the opening statements for me to start, Josh. If you're the prosecution, what's your opening statement story? If you're the defense, what's your story?
Yeah, it's hard to think of a case in recent memory that is going to be this difficult for jurors to sit through, because really, this is not a case with a clear bad guy. This is not a case where even if there's a conviction, anybody's going to feel all that great about it. Prosecutors are going to have to focus on the idea that I think the defense can easily establish that she was mentally unwell and that she was under treatment and she was receiving many, many different psychotropic medications, and that maybe she was being overprescribed, underprescribed. It was causing her to have some sort of psychiatric break. But prosecutors have to say that in spite of all of that, she still had an understanding that what she was doing was wrong, and they're going to have to concentrate on her actions that she took specifically that day in dealing with her husband, making sure that he was out of the home so that she could commit this horrific act. For the defense, they're going to have to lean in heavily to the idea that she was not being treated properly, that her own medical providers were trying to help her, that this wasn't something that is being made up out of cloth by the defense, but she was really suffering from something, and that caused her to be so untethered from reality that she could not simply appreciate what she was doing was wrong. As we're talking about it, you can see what a difficult question it is. End of the day, you have the loss of 3 beautiful babies at the hands of their own mother in a really horrific manner. And yet you've got a mother who attempted to take her own life. And as you pointed out, the first witness is going to be the father of those children, now her ex-husband, but he's standing by her and willing to testify on her behalf.
It's going to be fascinating to see how each side, the prosecuting attorneys and the defense attorneys, really tiptoe around that first witness, because you have to remember, he lost 3 children as well. And as a dad, I cannot imagine that kind of loss. Josh Ritter, thank you for your insight. Tough story all around. We appreciate it.